Some students think absolutely every time they write, which is possibly close to the truth, but we're going to talk a little bit more clearly about when to put your in-text citations, for example, Unston, or, well, and the full publication details in the list. And this is an example of a chapter from the textbook, but you might have a different version. I have the 2013 at home, and it's slightly different the way I would reference this. So this is just an example. So you need to put it in both places, but there are other places also in the essay, in the report, you must reference. So you did a paragraph already, assessment task 1B, and you had to do both of these. But there are some other places in your essay or report, and in your case we're talking about the report, where you must reference. We'll cover both though, because you will write an essay. It's pretty lucky to get through university without writing an essay in another subject. So it's important to know this for both essay and reports, even if your focus for Core 109 is the report. What paragraphs of the essay or report do not include in-text referencing? So there's no in-text referencing or citations to be seen. Can you tell me? Let's start with the report.
Executive summary.
Executive summary, thank you. Well done. No in-text referencing here. I've never seen one, huh?
The conclusion?
Conclusion, exactly, yes. Where else?
Introduction.
Introduction, yes. It's pretty rare. There's always some exceptions, but generally no. Anything else?
Table of contents.
Table of contents, we don't actually have references here. That's right. And what about the title page? This one's a bit tricky.
If you have any pictures or
Well
graphs.
done. Yes, you are expected. Yeah. Same with if you have appendix, which we don't mention here, but any visuals that are included throughout. You're not encouraged to use visuals in your reports for Core 109, but in most reports in other subjects you will. And I'm sure, given your discipline is saying write a report, you are probably going to write reports in other subjects, and you will be using visuals most likely. What about the essay? Is it the same? Title page? Is it common to have a visual on a title page of an essay? Not usually, but reports we do. Yeah. What about the intro and conclusion? No. So similar rules, and what I've tried to do here is tick the places that you must include the in-text referencing. So body paragraphs for both is where we expect to see referencing all the way through in text. And you mentioned the title page about the report, and in the reference list or references, generally for Harvard we call it reference list, we will have a corresponding full reference. Everything will be there in alphabetical order. I will show you an example.